So I got one of these old Square brand headphone jack style credit card readers. I don't know if S4 is a part number or not, but I thought it'd be fun to crack it open and see what's inside. My expectations are fairly low. I'm gonna spoil the fun, and I'm gonna guess that there's gonna be nothing but what essentially looks like a tape head reader, and then wires going to the headphone jack. But yeah, let's see what happens. I think this is all just snapped together, so be fairly destructive, but fairly quick. Let's see here. Well, we're just gonna rip these ribbons because they don't matter. Whoop. So, looks like this is designed to be removable. I'm not sure why. I suppose it'd be too hard to overmold this into the case as all one unit. And here's the card reader. A portion of it seems to be pinned to the frame, so that might be difficult. I think what I'm going to do is just split this in half and hopefully not cut myself in the process. Maybe. Nope. That's pretty good luck. Basically looks like a tape head out of a cassette tape player. I think each one of those rectangles is a track. And then if you want, there's some part number information, I suppose. Oh. Okay, so there's a little bit of intelligence on here. I cracked the chip. I don't think I'm going to be able to read the numbers on it through the camera. But there's a chip and a couple passives. So something must be going on there. I wonder if it uses a signal from the headphone jack, since this would be headphone and microphone functionality. I wonder if it uses like a signal from the headphone jack as a power source to do something. Maybe this head needs a little bit of power to do its job. But yeah, pretty straightforward. Hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.